The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Use a flathead screwdriver to push in on the middle of the clip. Doing so will allow you to pry off the base. There are 3 push clips in total that secure the foam back panel. Remove the glove box back panel. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door.
In this case, it was missing from the vehicle.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1276C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down.
Remember to reinstall your housing door.
Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the back panel. Secure the panel with the clips by threading the base in and pushing the clip down to lock it secure. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.